Oh man, I just came back from work. I haven't had time to go food shopping at all. Actually thinking of making pork lob, but it's just one of those days you just don't want to do anything. Traditionally, lob can be a long process to make because all the herbs, spices, and seasoning that goes into it. I guess I have to find a quicker way to make it for what I have. My mom did used to say you can use all kinds of proteins to make lob. Hmm, canned tuna? Lob? Okay, let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, some of you guys might not know what lob is, right? I'm a little bit tired, but I'm gonna pass the mic to Jacob and he'll explain a brief history.
Larb or minced meat salad originated in Laos. It later influenced the cuisines of neighboring regions like Thailand and Cambodia. The dish is spicy, salty, and sour, giving it a mouth-watering umami taste. The flavor is a complex savory salad that is both fresh and robust. It is often served with sticky rice and fresh vegetables to balance the intense seasoning.
Thank you, Jacob. I'll take it from here and let's get started. Simple, spicy, delicious, good enough for those lazy days. Enjoy it with some lettuce and don't forget the sticky rice. Until next time, folks.